So I am not an artist. I'm going to start off by saying that, but I do have a ton of paintbrushes and paints that I use for a whole bunch of things, like touching up statues I buy for the garden or, anything like that. And sometimes I do try to paint things, but they usually don't turn out well. I use these paintbrushes more for touching up the walls than actually painting anything, but I still have a ton of these, and they're all over in a drawer. I collected them here for you so I can show you this cool new thing I got. It's a paintbrush holder. Let's put our paintbrushes in and see how it works. It's got different size holes up here, so you can hold bigger paintbrushes and smaller paintbrushes. And it spins, it rotates. It's really smooth. It's got a plastic, like a carousel base on it. It's made of bamboo. That big one doesn't quite fit. It doesn't reach the bottom. So I guess if your brushes are wider, they might not fit in there. Let's see how big these holes are. Got my tape measure here. The whole thing's about 5.5 inches tall, about 6.5 wide. Looks like all the holes, the biggest holes, are still less than 1/2 inch. But it makes it much easier to see what I got. So if I know I want this angled paintbrush, it's right there. That's pretty cool. And it also works to organize other things like colored pencils, crochet needles. Could probably put some knitting needles in there too. And there's a lot of different craft supplies in here. Keep them all in one place. That's pretty cool. I'll leave the link below if you're interested in getting one of these for yourself to organize your paintbrushes and craft supplies too.